Hello guys, welcome to this video. This video is I'm going to talk about how to install Python programming language on your mobile phone. Why do I want to install Python programming language on my mobile phone? Let's say in a situation where you are really interested in learning Python programming language, but you don't have a laptop, a computer yet. You can only what you have is your mobile phone. So don't be afraid. In this video I'll guide you on how to install Python programming language on your mobile phone, and you can follow the tutorial that I'm doing on my YouTube channel without any problem. So the first step is, if you have Chrome, so if you have Play Store, this is Play Store. If you have it installed, you have completed the first step. If you have it on your mobile phone, you have completed the first step. Initially, Play Store is always come with Android mobile phones. So just click on Play Store. Just wait for it to load a little bit. Click this search button down here. So let me click on it. So I'm going to click on this search. So what do I want to type in here? Just type in Pydroid and then try. Look at what I typed here. Pydroid 3. So once you type it, hit the search button. Let's give it a little bit time to load. As you can see here, this is the Pydroid 3. This Pydroid is used an Android IDE where you can write your Python script without any problem. Come on, what have I done again? So what you have to do is just to click the install button to install it to your mobile phone. Okay, let me click on it. Okay. I just wait for it to start installing. Let me wait when the installation is done. As you can see, the installation the downloading has started. You can see here it's 3% out of 62.36 MB. The loader has started. When it's complete, it's going to be installed automatically. And then just click on the open. Don't worry, I'll show you all the steps you need to take to install it successfully on your Android mobile phone. As you can see, the Pydroid is already been installed. So once it's done installing, I'm going to open it and see how to configure any remaining thing on the app. So let's just wait for it to install completely. Okay, I've installed completely. First of all, let's close our Play Store. So this is the Pydroid. That is just to click on it to open it. You'll be prompted this welcome message. Welcome to Pydroid 3, the ultimate Python coding experience designed for your Android device. So click on the continue. What is your goal? To learn Python, develop small projects, data analysis. You can decide to click on any of these, but I'm going to click on further. What is your Python level? I decide to click on beginner, intermediate, and let me click on advanced. What type of programs are you planning to run? A lot of different type of programs. Okay, make sure to select this button. Preserve files on exist is really important. Without it, once you exit the app, all your files is going to be deleted. So you can select the dark theme too. This tab space is not needed. So all you have to do is just to click on the continue. It will create your Python IDE for you. So click on continue. If you have money, you can pay for the premium. But as of now, I'm not going to do that in this video. So click on cancel. It's going to install Python on your mobile device. Let's just give you some time. It doesn't usually take time. Just give it 10 seconds, 10 to 20 seconds. It should be complete. Just give it some time. You see, installing Python. Okay, your Python has been installed on your mobile phone. So you can follow up. You can now follow up on the tutorial that is going on my channel. So anything, since you don't have a computer yet, you can make use of your mobile phone. So this is how you can install Python on your mobile phone to get you started. So this is the end for this video. There's other configuration that can also be done in this app. Like you can go to the hamburger. You can go to this 3/, and then you can see other things you can try to go around and check. You can go to the settings and look other things you want to remove or set by yourself. So, but that's not what we have to do. That's not what we are doing in this video. In this video, I just want to show you how to install Pydroid, so Python on your mobile phone, and then you can follow up on our tutorial. So see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.